Welcome to this AutoCAD tutorial series. Throughout this course, we'll be covering all you need to know in order to be able to produce a complete set of technical house drawings in AutoCAD. By the end of the course, you will have become familiar with the AutoCAD user interface and functionality. With over 6.5 hours of online video tutorials, you will learn which tools to use for which specific functions. And you'll understand the complete process of producing scale-accurate house plans in AutoCAD from start to finish. We will be using a typical new build house as a case study, and all along the way I'll be giving you useful tips and tricks to help you out. The course is split up into easy, bite-sized lessons, so you can go through the steps in your own time and at a pace you feel comfortable with. You'll be amazed how quickly and how easily you can get to grips with AutoCAD using this very simple method. And when you finish the course, you will have produced your own complete set of house drawings. So, let's get started.